Hey guys, it's Knife Crazy here, and this is going to be the first video onto my channel. What my channel is going to be about is this game called Case Clicker. You can download it on your iPhone or Android, and pretty much it's a CSGO simulation of opening cases. And you open cases with this in-game money, and you pretty much try to get a knife. It's the exact same thing, except you're buying this with in-game money and not real money just like in CSGO. We are going to open up 25 Phoenix cases and 25 Chroma 2 cases. Let's get started and try to get a knife. We can start off with the blue. Great. Just great. Another blue. Let's open up a Chroma 2 case. Open up some more Phoenix cases. Doesn't look like I'm getting anything yet. Hopefully out of these 50 cases, I will get a knife. That'd be pretty cool. I have a few knives at the moment, just anybody who wouldn't take a knife. So, let's keep opening cases. I just saw that knife. It's just as hard to get a knife on here as it is in actual CSGO, except it's pretty easy to get cases. So you're opening up a lot of cases trying to get this. So, just gonna keep opening cases. Come on. Or a blue. That works too. Not really. Come on. Oh, come on. Give me a knife. Blues, after blue, give me, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't think this game even likes me. No! Yes! Oh! Yes! That is a crazy knife right there. Thank you! Yes! Let's keep opening these cases. Hopefully we can get 2 knives in one video. That would be sick. Oh, that's a good knife right there. Oh, gosh. Yes. Go to our equipment. This is the knife we just got right here. $338. M9 bayonet fade knife just then. That's insane. Let's go. Open up some more cases. Let's try to get 2 knives, 1 video. That would be good. Just seeing these knives fly by. I'll be fine with that 1 knife in the video. That would be fine by me. That's a good knife. Hopefully we can get 2. That would be even better. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Looks like we have about 21 more cases left. Come on. Get 2 knives, 1 video. That would be insane. Let's get this. Come on. It's not looking good for us right now. You know it would look good if I got a knife. Keep opening these cases. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Alright. Nope. Nope. We are running out of cases here. We are running out of cases. There we go. There goes the pink. I'll take it. It's something different. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nope. We have about 4 more cases. Hopefully we can get something out of that, but I'm not gonna say we are, but I am wishing we can get another knife. Well, the chances are really not that big. 2 more cases. Last case. Come on. Come on. Nope. That'll be it for the video, guys. That was an amazing, just amazing knife we got there. Well, I would call that a good first video. And maybe I'll make another video. See you guys later.